I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your VW Golf rear wiper. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new wiper blade, specifically designed for your Golf, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is parked securely with the ignition off for safety. Now, head to the back of your vehicle and locate the rear wiper arm on the window. This simple preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. With the wiper arm lifted, gently pull it away from the rear window until it clicks into its upright position. This gives you clear access to the blade. Next, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the end of the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window, ensuring it rests flat against the glass. To complete the process, turn on your ignition and activate the rear wiper with some washer fluid. Observe its movement across the window, ensuring it operates smoothly and clears water without leaving any streaks. A properly installed blade will provide excellent visibility. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.